You hate deep talks. That's fine. Use 3 sharp, 12-second micro-conversations that get help without sounding vulnerable. Rhythm to film, 4 to seconds opener, 4 to seconds neutral cue, 8 to 12 seconds escalation to lock a follow-up. Watch, learn, then shoot one take.
Micro Convo 1. Get help fast. 1 sentence opener. Give me your straight take on something. 5 minutes. Body cue. Keep hands relaxed on the bench. Lean in a notch. Neutral. Escalation line. Can we grab coffee tomorrow at 7? I'll bring the situation. Film timing. 0 to 4's opener. 4 to 8's cue. 8 to 12's lock the follow-up.
Micro Convo 2. Accountability without drama. 1 sentence opener. I'm starting something. Will you hold me to it? Body cue. Steady eye contact, palms down on the table, neutral. Escalation line. Text me Thursday. You did it? Film timing. 0 to 6 seconds opener and cue. 6 to 12 seconds escalation and confirmation.
Micro Convo 3. Get direction fast. 1 sentence opener. Quick question. What's one move I should make next? Body cue. Small shrug, palms open slightly. Neutral, not needy. Escalation line. Can you shoot me 1 step by tonight? Film timing. 0 to 6 seconds opener and cue. 6 to 12 seconds escalation and agreed next step. Do it once, 1 take per convo. Test 1 line tonight and keep your image while building traction. For a ready script you can use tonight, grab the 3-second silent support script. Link in the description now. Final, test 1 line, tag a mate, and save this for next time. Silent frustration, men's mental health, I see you.